So I will show you 2 items to make use of to wash your face with. If you wash your face with it early morning as you wake up, you see things working very well in your life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you're so welcome. My name is Pamela. So in this channel, I share spiritual tips, messages, spiritual tips that will be a blessing to you, that will teach you how to do your spiritual work yourself. You doing it rightly, follow the instructions, you see things working perfectly, just like a magic. So in case you are new here, you're highly welcome. Consider subscribing if you love spiritual tips. So like today's video, I'll be showing you 2 items to add, mix together, use it to wash your face. You command blessings, you command so many things, so many good things towards you. Some people says spiritual work does not work for them, that they try any spiritual work, not only on my channel, that anything they try at all, it doesn't work for them. I've shared what to do if spiritual work is not working for you. I want to also tell you guys that you should beware of scammers. People are using my face and my name to scam people, giving out numbers which I don't give. I've never given anybody any number. I don't have any WhatsApp number. In case I want to give, I will write it on the screen of any video of mine. So take note of this. So you have to get nutmeg. Okay, nutmeg, the one you use in cooking. This is very, very spiritual. You know, it has health benefits and also spiritual benefits. You using it for your spiritual benefit means a lot. It attracts luck. It makes you lucky. It welcomes all good things into your life. Everything about nutmeg is positivity. Gets rid of anything evil. So the major thing it does is to bring all those things that you want, you know, but you have to make sure your faith is there. If you have faith that this will help you greatly, it will help you. Also, it draws prosperity. Yes, it draws love. It brings luck, makes you lucky. It draws prosperity, and it also attracts love. It makes people to love you. This is the seed, okay? And here is the powdered one. The powdered one is just like clove powder. And it smells nice anyway. So another item you should get is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon, like most people knows on this channel, it brings, you know, prosperity. It attracts luck. It makes it lucky. Just similar with nutmeg, but more than nutmeg. Like cinnamon will help you to sell fast if you have a business. It will also help to open doors for you, open doors for prosperity, for anything good. Contracts, name it. Depending your prayer points. Your prayer point is what you should, you know, stick with. Any prayer point you have, say it along, and also inviting the presence of God. Let the Holy Spirit flow into this work, and everything, you know, will be all yours. So make sure you get these 2 items. This is nutmeg, this is cinnamon. Both of them are in powdered form. So you can also blend your nutmeg seed. The cinnamon have the stick. Okay, you can also blend the stick to get the powdered form. But in today's video, how to make this particular one is to get the powdered form of them. You have to get some quantity of water. It can be little, it can be in a big bowl, anyhow you want it. Then you have to mix these 2 items together into that water, about 1 tablespoon, equal amounts. After that, you have to be praying, telling God what you want. First, you have to tell God to pardon your iniquities, that you're a sinner. Of course, you're a sinner, that you should forgive your iniquities. Anything that is making things not to work for you, be the one that the enemy must have brought or caused upon you, or the one that you did by yourself, that God should pardon your iniquities, that you are a new creature, that you want all things to be gone, and you promise not to repeat those things you usually do that God does not like. So after that, you have to invite the presence of God. Ask that the Holy Spirit should flow into this work. As these 2 mixtures are inside that water, ask that the Holy Spirit should flow into it and make it work accordingly. So when you are done, then you have to leave it the next morning. Please do not miss it that morning. If you want to miss it day before then, so that the mixtures will have time to mix properly, so that these 2 items will mix properly into the water, infuse properly, and when you make use of it, it will work powerfully. So I've not said this before. One of the things that can make your spiritual work not to be effective is check the place you buy the items. You know, like this is cinnamon. For example, maybe I bought it and it's expired without me knowing. it can make it not to be effective. And if it's spoiled already, it will not work. So just check where you buy your items, like make sure they are original. So if you can make it yourself, fine. If you want to make it yourself, just get, for example, the nutmeg seed, blend it yourself. So that goes with honey, cinnamon stick, and the rest. So try to get 100% of them, so that things will work, and with your faith it will work very well. So some people says even with their faith, everything they abstain, says they abstain so many things that one should not do when you are doing spiritual work, and yet the spiritual work is not working. So if that is the case, check the items, check things that you do, check the items you have. If they are spoiled, please trash it out, buy another one. And when you are getting anyone, make sure that they are original. So that is it. So use this water the next morning, early morning, as you wake up. Pray to God once again, then use it to wash your face. Without washing your face with soap, without, just first thing before anything, wash your face. As you're washing your face, declare blessings upon yourself. Please try that. Declare blessings upon yourself, that you must succeed in life, that you welcome this into your life, you welcome this into your life. If you do this for how many days you like, okay, you see that things must change for you. Definitely. Another way to mix these two items is to get early morning urine. I've talked about early morning urine in so many ways on this channel. Early morning urine is the one that is, is concentrated, is not diluted with anything. Like, why you should use early morning urine is because all through the night you don't drink water a lot, you don't eat too much food, and so that urine that will come out that early morning is not diluted. So if you're able to get this early morning urine, you see that the color is like deep in color, it's not that light liquid. Okay, so use it to mix these two items instead of water. Two ways to make use of this item: either you use urine or water. Do the same way, pray the same way, then use it to wash your face immediately as you wake up, and welcome good things into your life. So go on and try this with your faith. Everything you command, everything you wish for will come to you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.